Hello, hello, friends. Welcome back to English Chat Channel.
Hi, everyone. Nice to hear you again.
My name is Emma. I am your English teacher.
And I'm Leo. I learn English with you.
This podcast is for beginners. Easy English, slow English.
Yes. Listen, repeat, practice.
Today is episode 4.
In episode 1, we learned basics.
In episode 2, we learned family and colors.
In episode 3, we learned feelings and weather.
Today, we learn new things.
Yes. Today we learn polite words, shopping, money, transport, and easy talks.
Great. Let's start. First, polite words.
Polite words are kind words.
Yes, we use them every day.
Listen and repeat.
Please.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Again, slow. Please. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me.
Good job. Please help me.
Of course.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome. Now, shopping.
We go to the shop.
Yes. Listen.
Shop.
Store.
Buy.
Pay.
Price.
Again.
Shop. Store. Buy. Pay. Price.
Good.
I go to the shop.
What do you buy?
I buy bread.
Nice.
I buy milk.
Good.
Let's make a small talk.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes.
How much is this?
It is $2.
$2.
Please pay here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, money.
We use money to buy.
Yes. Listen.
Money.
Dollar.
Coin.
Card.
Cash.
Again.
Money. Dollar. Coin. Card. Cash.
Good.
Do you pay with cash?
Yes, I pay with cash.
Cash.
Sometimes I use a card.
Card.
It is $5.
$5.
Very good. Now, transport.
How we go?
Yes. Listen.
Bus.
Car.
Train.
Bike.
Walk.
Again.
Bus. Car. Train. Bike. Walk.
Great.
How do you go to work?
I go by car.
Car.
Sometimes I walk.
Walk.
I take the bus.
Bus.
Now you, Leo.
I go by train. I walk home.
Nice English. Now, easy talk.
Short talks.
Yes. Listen.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I am good.
Where do you go?
I go to the shop.
What do you buy?
I buy apples.
Again. Where do you go?
I go to work.
What do you buy?
I buy bread. Good. Now, a small story.
Easy story.
Listen. In the morning, I go to the shop. I walk. I buy bread and milk. The price is $3. I pay with cash. I say thank you. I go home by bus.
Nice and easy.
Now you, Leo.
I go to the store. I buy apples. It is $2. I pay with a card. I say thank you. I walk home.
Very good, Leo. Now, review.
We learned polite words.
Please. Thank you. Sorry.
We learned shopping.
Buy. Pay. Price.
We learned money.
Cash. Card. Dollar.
We learned transport.
Bus. Car. Walk.
We learned talking.
Where do you go? I go home. Thank you for learning with us.
Practice every day.
Speak a little English every day.
See you in episode 5.
Bye-bye, friends.
Goodbye.